Let's create flared pants. First, let's create some space. Now click on Z, click on the hemline, right click, offset to internal line. Let's get it to 500. From where do you want your flare? So can you see the red line here? So that's too much, right? We can go a bit more, like 450, 400. Yeah, 400 seems good. So click on OK. Similarly, do the same thing on back. Click here, right click, offset to internal line, 400. OK. Now click on this line, right click, click on cut and sew. Right click, cut and sew. Now let's go to the fullness tool. Click on the center, double click. Now move onwards. Now before doing that, click twice. And how much flare do you want? 150 seems less, right? Let's go with 250. Okay, click on enter. Similarly, let's do the same thing over here on the back. Double click, 250, and okay. We've got it, and let's simulate the pattern. So you can see some nice flare. Flared pants, right? If you want, you can even click on increase it from the side a bit. Now click simulate. See, it feels loose, it feels nice. So there you go, your flared pants. Isn't it easy? Please do comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.